Alright, now I got manual control, y'all, from my phone, as y'all see here. Let me bring it closer so we can see that. So yeah, so I'm controlling it through my phone app right now, and let's see if I get this shot I want it. Do a little pan real quick of the park. Old buddy over there doing Wing Chun, I believe. Up, rotate. There we go. Alright, here's the shot that I want, y'all. Let's see here. Put the camera at 0 degrees. Up we go. Oh man, it's super slow on the Ascent using the phone. Mega slow. Painfully slow. I'm not sure what they're, I guess because they figure you probably don't have much control with your phone when you're doing this. So they make it slow as it can be. Looks like I'm still ascending. Still going up. Still going up. I don't think it tells you when it's reached its peak.
Max altitude reached.
Oh, there it is. Alright, so max altitude. Let's take a spin or take a look around. Get a panoramic of the city. I'm up there. Signal's kind of breaking up just a little. It's just a Wi-Fi connection. So we're just panning around, slow pan. Got 76% battery left. We're still, I think we're panning. Pan. Lost signal. There we go. Max altitude reached. I'm gonna bring it down since I'm losing connection to it. Let's bring it back down. It's almost like it's kiting up there. Come on down. I don't want to hit the return to home right now because I don't know what kind of funny acting is going to be. But yeah, this is painfully slow. The Ascension. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Not very good as far as that's concerned. Alright, let's rotate. Rotate. It's definitely going to take some time to get used to the controls and whatnot. Trying to do some camera moves while I'm Okay, if you tap it, it rotates fast, but let's see here. But otherwise, it's super slow. The rotation is pretty fast. The yaw, forward and back, not too bad. Let's see, what about the it's not the pitch, but the roll is okay. Roll axis, but yeah. So I guess that's gonna do it for this little quick test. I got other things I need to be doing, like editing this video. So I don't know if it'll come to me and land, or do I have to manually land it or not. So anyway, all right, that was this. I say it's successful. We'll just have to keep testing this thing out, see how it's best used and how I can utilize it in the future. Your boy Strill, I'm out. Peace.